It might be a good idea to go ahead and decide what you're going to touch up. Are you just going to touch up in one room? Are you going to paint the whole house? If you have unique colors in the rooms of your house, or you've painted it for something specific, you might consider taking it back to a neutral color. Do you prefer neutral, and what's in season right now? Are people going neutral? Are they going like all bananas with like turquoise paints and pinks? And what are people doing?
Neutral always sells best. Everything was 50 shades of gray for a couple of years there. It's trending back towards warmer beiges is the new trend. Um, Extreme colors can be difficult to sell. Again, a lot of people are going to paint the house when they get there,
Mhm.
but also a lot of buyers have a hard time seeing past your things, your colors, your belongings, and seeing their things there. So anything you can do to make your house look clean, fresh, neutral, it's going to set it apart from a home that doesn't have that, where they see a wall painted a color that they would never choose. If they're looking at 3 homes that day, you want to be the one that they remember as having the least to do to it, that's the
Mhm.
most move-in ready.